Introducing the automatic fishing net lengthwise stretching machine. Let's explore its features. The product specifications are fully automatic operation for seamless performance. Specifically designed for fishnet stretching applications. Capable of reaching speeds of up to 12,000 rpm for efficient stretching and processing. Let's look at the features that make this machine stand out. Rigid construction. Capable of adjusting the stretching ratio of fishing nets. Digital preset temperature. LPG electric heat option. Able to stretch all kinds of nets crafted from a variety of yarns. Introducing the knotless fishing net machine. Specifications are made of mild steel, with a production capacity of 100 tons per hour. Power consumption is 3 horsepower. Features a galvanized surface finish for durability. Fully automatic ensures seamless performance. Let's take a look at the double knot fishing net machines, also known as the HY3 fishing net machine. Specifications. Double knot to single knot conversion easy. Mesh forwarding by self-lubricated cam clutch. Warp supply by self-lubricated cam clutch. Knot tightening by adjustable cams to suit different types of yarns. Features are machine made of strong steel for knotting thick nylon, polyester, PE, and nets. Heat-treated cams with precision grooves. Let's know about fishing net making machine. Model Harpoon. These are the features. Machine made of strong steel for knotting thick nylon, polyester, PE, and nets. Heat-treated cams with precision grooves. Big rollers for stable twine supply and knotting. Robust frames for stability, designed using CAD and 3D modeling. Digital drives ensure precise mesh sizes. User-friendly with touch screen interface. Introducing the fishnet winding machine. Product specifications. Fishnet twines winding machines are in demand for their optimum functioning, long service life, and custom design. Model, Ultima. Number of spindles, 6 per section, single-sided. Speed, up to 300 meters per minute. Yarns, this machine is capable of handling various yarns, including HDPE twines, fishnet twines, monofilament twines, HDPE ropes, ballet twines, and DP polyesters. Power, 0.25 horsepower per spindle. Dimensions, 8 feet by 3 feet by 6 feet. Now, let's take a look at the bobbin winder for fishing net machine. Product features. Bobbin winders are used for winding bobbins and spools. Each spindle is powered by an independent FHP motor for winding monofilament, PE, polyethylene, and multifilament with equal tension onto the bobbins. This results in the net machine running uninterruptedly, with the weft drawn out easily, ensuring a perfect weft feed.